Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the hunt for a flawless manicure without the hassle of going to the salon, you might want to stick around. Today, we're talking about Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in Starstruck, a chic beige-toned option with a short, Squoval shape. What makes these stand out from your typical press-on nails? Let's find out. These press-on nails are part of Kiss's Color FX line, which is known for reimagining color. We're talking about high gloss, metallic, and pearlescent finishes that create a glossy, almost chrome-like effect. What's even better? They've got an upgraded adhesive that promises up to 10 days of wear. No glue, no mess, just peel, press, and you're done. So, how do they actually hold up? Let me share my experience. I'm someone who loves the convenience of press-on nails, but is picky when it comes to comfort and longevity. These nails were incredibly easy to apply. The whole process took just a few minutes. I've tried other press-ons that felt bulky or didn't adhere well, but the adhesive on these nails really impressed me. They felt lightweight, and the Squoval shape made them look natural, like I had just gotten a professional gel mani. Now let's talk performance. I wore these nails for about a week, and they stayed in place through daily tasks like typing, cooking, and even cleaning. No chips or lifting. After about 7 days, they were still going strong, but I noticed a slight wear on the tips. Nothing too dramatic though. If you're looking for something that can withstand everyday life and still look polished, these nails are a solid option. When it comes to design, the beige color is neutral yet stylish. It's a great choice if you want something subtle but still with that luxe look. I also love how the set comes with everything you need. 30 nails in varying sizes, a mini nail file, a prep pad, and a manicure stick. If you're new to press-ons, this kit takes the guesswork out of the process. Of course, no product is without its drawbacks. While I loved how easy they were to apply and how they stayed on, they weren't as durable as salon gel nails. I could see them lasting 10 days if you were careful, but for those of us who are a little rough on our nails, I'd say you may want to switch them out sooner than that. Also, while the adhesive is impressive, it's not a miracle worker. If you're really hard on your hands, you may need to reapply a few nails. Value for money? Well, when you compare it to the price of a gel manicure, these press-ons are a steal, especially since they last a good amount of time with proper care. And unlike gel nails, which require UV light and a bit more skill, these are truly beginner-friendly. So if you're looking to save time and money, this could be a great alternative. Now let's talk alternatives. If you're after a similar vibe but a bit more budget-friendly, brands like Ardell and Broadway Nails offer solid options with similar results. They're also easy to apply and offer decent wear, but I'd say the Kiss imPRESS set still has a slight edge with that improved adhesive technology. When it comes to the build quality, I was really impressed. The nails felt solid, yet not too stiff, so they didn't look fake or overly plasticky. They had a flexible feel, which made them comfortable for long wear. The packaging was also sleek and made for an easy, no-fuss experience. It didn't feel like I was working with an overly cheap product. And for those curious about customer service, I've had no issues myself, but Kiss is known for responsive customer support. They seem to be pretty active in helping customers with any issues that arise, especially around adhesive quality or sizing. To sum it up, these nails are a great option if you want a quick, easy, and chic manicure at home. They're perfect for anyone looking for a no-fuss solution to looking polished without the commitment of salon visits. Whether you're a busy professional, a teen looking for an easy style, or someone who just loves experimenting with different nail looks, these press-ons are definitely worth considering. If this review has been helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, helpful reviews like this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used these Kiss imPRESS nails, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how they've worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.